هلا بيكم من جديد. رشنا ملكاني مصممة الحقائب قررت أنه تستوحي مجموعتها الجديدة من شخصية المرأة متقلبة المزاج أو مزدوجة الشخصية، فجات تصاميمها وستايلاتها متعددة عشان تناسب هذه الازدواجية. Tell me more about the collection Duality.
Duality as a collection is something very involved with human emotions, human personalities. So the word duality doesn't necessarily mean that you have two faces and two personalities only. To me it means basically that every person when they are in a certain situation can behave differently, but that doesn't define their whole personality. So what I'm here now and what I behave when I'm in my office working and the way I am with my kids, they're all three different women, but at the same time they are me. They are still the one woman. So I'm not putting on faces, but these are the roles I'm playing at different points in life. And I don't want it to be boxed and categorized. I want to say I'm all of it, and I'm happy saying that yes, I'm all of it.
What about this collection? What materials did you use and how did you come up with all the inspiration of the bags? I hear you have like bags you can carry in two different ways.
Absolutely. I wanted the bag to look good in every way, but at the same time there should be a choice that right now I could be wanting to look very elegant and very quiet, but at the same time by the evening my mood might change and I want to look wild and free. And how can my bag help me define both my personalities? So I created a bag which can be carried in two ways, in three ways as well at times. So how my bag as my companion in life complements the way I think and the way I like to carry myself. So I created the design, the collections around that thought.
I love this bag. Tell me more about it.
It's called Flip It. So let's say I carry it this way and then I want to just change my mood to it. I just flip it and it's still a complete bag. And there are a lot of compartments in it. There is a long strand which you can carry it as a crossover as well. And I'll tell you another beauty of it. In any given point, the other side is not usable. It is usable as well. So you're not, both the sides are still down, so you're not afraid something will fall off when I change it or something will happen. So in both ways, it is always very perfect to carry.
What kind of occasions do people usually use this bag?
I would say it can be from morning to night. It will transfer and I'll tell you how. Now this bag, right now looks like more of a fun-going and, bag, but we will change it. So I'll show you just an example. I won't get into opening the handle. Suppose you don't have your handles, you can just carry it this way as well. And it becomes a different bag. And you have these things to carry it with a long strap. So you'll carry it cross-body as well. So it's the same bag with three personalities.